Let's face it, that's the last sound you want to hear when you get in your ride. We've all heard it before. It's that dreaded click of the solenoid or the slow groan of your starter starving for power. Don't get stranded by a dead battery again, and avoid a costly tow bill with a NOCO portable jumpstart pack from MSD. They're designed to work with most 12-volt systems found in cars, trucks, boats, RVs, farm equipment, and more. The safe yet compact lithium-ion powered GB40 and GB70 booster packs eliminate the hassle of jumper cables and the embarrassment of tracking down someone to jumpstart your vehicle. The GB40 can provide up to 1,000 amps of starting power, powerful enough to start this Camaro with a completely dead battery. While the GB70 boasts a whopping 2,000 amps, that's enough cranking power to start even the biggest engines. NOCO booster packs use lightweight lithium-ion batteries. They pack a punch and can maintain their charge for extended periods of time. The color-coded cables and heavy-duty clamps transfer the power and provide a spark-proof connection to your battery. Rest assured, with built-in reverse polarity protection, the whole process will be safe and foolproof. The included USB charger keeps everything charged and ready to go when you need it the most. NOCO's high-output jump packs have the power to quickly start weak and drain batteries, yet are compact enough to easily store in your glove box. But they're more than just a booster pack. They double as a portable power source with convenient built-in USB ports that you can use to recharge smartphones, tablets, or other USB devices. The GB70 can also provide portable power to your 12-volt accessories. Use it to run tire inflators, power inverters, spotlights, and more. And you'll never be caught in the dark again, thanks to the GB40's 100-lumen LED flashlight, or light up the night with the 400-lumen light found on the GB70. Both units feature multiple lighting modes, including an SOS function. You'll get all these benefits and more wrapped in an impact and water-resistant case that's built to handle the abuse in even the most extreme environments. We all know time is money, so if you're in a hurry, nothing beats the XG-C4 to quickly recharge your GB70 booster pack. It's a 56-watt power supply that can safely recharge your booster pack up to 5 times faster than the standard charger can. Don't take the chance. Be prepared with a NOCO booster pack from MSD, and you'll never have to ask for a jump start again. Thanks for watching. For more information on the GB40 or GB70 booster packs, visit our website at msdperformance.com.